20 injured in lightning strike at South Carolina beach. A lightning strike injured 20 swimmers at a South Carolina beach on Tuesday evening. The incident took place around 5 p.m. at Dominion Beach Park near Lake Murray Dam. Multiple agencies quickly responded to reports of electrocution caused by the lightning. Officials are assessing the situation and providing aid to those affected by the strike. Safety measures are crucial during stormy weather, especially near open water. Stay informed about weather safety and subscribe for updates.